What you got? What is it? No. How'd you get that? Eli, how'd you get that? That's bad. How'd you open it? No. No. I see it. You're not supposed to have that. You got that out the fridge? Yeah, and you can open it? Are you bad? Are you really bad? Oh. No, you don't share with your brother. Y'all are bad. Eli? No more. No more. No more. Give me that chocolate. Thank you. Gimme. Gimme. No more. You're not supposed to have that chocolate.